So now we'll be discussing about mathematical logic, very important topic for GATE computer science, which is part of discrete mathematics. Okay, so the name of the topic is mathematical logic. So, in this mathematical logic, the first topic is statements. So, what is meant by a statement, first of all? Okay. So, it is a well-defined argument. It is a well-defined argument which is either true or false. Which is either true or false. Okay. So like this we can define that. We can say it is a statement if it is a well-defined argument, as well as it is either true or false. Okay. So let me give you some examples here, and we'll check each of this example whether it is a valid statement or not. Okay. First one. Second one. Third one. So consider given sentences like this, and out of these sentences we need to check which one is forming a statement. So which one is able to define this statement. Okay, so it must be a well-defined argument, as well as it must be either true or false. Okay, so you can observe here clearly, first statement, Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Yes, this is a valid statement because it is true. It is clearly true. Okay. And next, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is also valid and it is true statement. So we can say both 1 and 2 are proper statements, okay, which fall under this category. Whereas if you consider 3, 4, 5, okay, so third one is open the door. Open the door is a command or request, okay. So next, fourth one, where are you going? It is a question. Okay. Next, fifth one, put the chair here. Again, it is a command or request. So third one is not a statement, fourth one is not a statement, and fifth one is also not a statement. Okay. So this is how we can define a statement. Okay. And usually any statement is indicated by symbols. For example, if you observe some valid statement symbols like capital P, capital Q, capital R, or we can say small p, small q, small r. Okay. Or we can also consider like this, P1, P2, P3, okay, so on like this. So it means, for example, in this case, I can consider statement P as Tirupati is in Andhra Pradesh. Statement Q as 2 plus 2 equal to 4. And we should not consider any of these 3 or 4 or 5 because they are not basically statements. Okay. So this is how we can consider.